Hello.
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 Hi.
Sorry.
No, I just said hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing, Arushi?
I'm doing amazing. Thank you for asking.
That's great. I've seen you on YouTube.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Uh, Great.
Okay, since
So,
you have mentioned, I also want to mention you look very different from your picture on that Clapingo.
hmm, I get that a lot.
Yeah, right.
Okay, great. So, how's the channel going? How are things going there?
Channel is going fine. Recently, like I have uploaded a video. So I keep uploading videos. So yeah, it is going fine.
Hmm. And so, how did you get the idea to start a channel?
And I'll tell you that later. But how do you like go to YouTube and check? Is it because of the clapping or my video, or is it just easy to watch my video? I'm curious to know.
Okay, I joined around January 15th or 16th, okay, around that time. So before joining, I was just researching on YouTube, okay, just for tutorial purposes, that how you have to speak to learners and all that stuff. So that is when I came across your videos. So that's
All
why.
right. So before joining Clappingo, you were searching something, or you were just trying to find like how it works, right?
True, yeah,
All right.
correct.
All right. Great. Great.
I came across like
Um,
two, three YouTubers, and I have had classes with all of them now. So
oh
that's why.
wow, that's nice.
And now
This is
you're
my
also here.
first session with you. Yeah. Yeah.
True, yeah. Yeah, so you were going to tell me, right?
Yeah, all right. Coming back to my to your question, how did I get an idea? All right. I am sure that you are in India only. You're living in India only, and you know how English speaking is a taboo in India. Like how everyone is not very sure they should talk in English, or they're confident, or they should even start speaking or learning. So that's why I thought let's start from here only because I like this language a lot and I wanted to start. So I thought of yeah, just making it normal for the people like me. That is the only idea or agenda behind my channel. That's it.
Mm. So that people can like reach out to it and watch it, right?
Exactly, and I think they get a platform also because before Clappingo or even now, people don't know that there are apps or platforms where they can just learn this language and they can explore more. So yeah, and I think I am on my channel. I'm talking a lot about these things that you have many platforms available. So go grab and start.
Mm.
Yeah.
True, yeah. So what all platforms are you using?
Sorry.
What all platforms are you using? Like, are you using just Clappingo or
Okay.
are you somewhere else as well?
I have started with Clappingo, then I have used Ace also. So far I have used these two apps only. And apart from this, I am learning a lot from YouTube University. So yeah, that's it. Candidly, I haven't tried yet because I am
Mm.
scared of the accent thing. I feel what if I don't understand the tutor's accent, I will not be able to reply them. And again, that is the thing in my mind. I'm bad at accent. That's why.
Okay. So I forgot to ask you about yourself. Like, give an introduction about yourself.
All right. I thought as you have watched my videos, you knew already because every time I keep introducing myself. So that's why. All
Mm.
right. My name is Arushi. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I am working professional, and my hobbies are I like reading books and sketching sometimes. That's it.
Mm.
Thank you.
So what kind of books do you read?
Sorry.
What kind of books do you read?
What kind of books I am? Okay, I do read. I have started with novels, but obvious. Then I moved to self-help books or some inspirational books, sometimes stories. Like So yeah, I like books which is having story or some learnings. Yeah, learnings or which will help me to get some inspiration. Like the books I have finished right now recently is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. So yeah, kind of.
Mhm. So now, are you thinking about selling your car?
I don't have car, unfortunately. I'll buy first and then I'll think about these things.
So,
Nice
okay, what all
question.
things did you learn in that book? If you had to give me a very brief summary.
I think I have learned a lot about spiritual stuff. Though I'm not a spiritual person, I enjoyed reading that book a lot because when you don't know something, when you don't know anything about one particular thing which is very important, then you get curious to know about those things. So I think that book sort of helped me to understand spirituality and how it helps you and how you yourself can help you to lead your life with the help of
In a better
spirituality
way.
or in a better way, meditation. Yeah, so sort of that.
So, have you started any of that, like meditation or something?
Not yet. First of all, I'm just trying to be calm, patient, and then I think I'll move to meditation one because meditation it's easy to say, but it's very difficult to actually implement meditation in your routine. So I think I'll take time to
Hmm.
start meditating. Yeah.
I also tried meditation like a couple months ago, around the
Oh,
time I joined Clapingo, and it is very hard. It's not
it is
easy.
very hard, right? Yeah.
Like I sat down, there were no sounds. Okay, so I thought, okay, that should be easy. Like there are no external distractions or
You
something.
must be feeling
But
sleepy.
then my mind started running here and there, so I just couldn't
Yeah.
focus. I just
It
couldn't
is
come.
very important. That is the I think challenge. You need to keep your focus on one thing,
Hmm.
right? Yeah.
That's true.
So like you're still doing or you just left it?
I left.
Oh.
I tried it one or two times, then I left. I was like, okay,
Okay.
not happening.
Okay. That's why I'm not even trying because I know I'm not in a mindset right now to meditate. I think I'll take some time to start that difficult thing in life. All right.
And you
Sorry.
told me you work, right? So what exactly do you do?
My profession, like
Hmm.
my job. All right, I am working in one of the MNC companies, and sorry, MNC itself has company. I'm working in one of the MNCs, and it's located in Pune, Maharashtra only. Currently, I'm working from home, and my background or my domain is finance.
And what exactly do you do in that MNC?
What I do is I'm actually helping in one of the projects that is called as uh, AP accounts payable P2P procure to pay. I'm not sure whether you have heard about it or not, but it is basically paying vendors on time for the goods and services we have taken on credit basis.
Okay, no idea what you just said, but
All
you
right.
are doing it, so okay.
Yeah.
Great. And how long have you been doing that?
I think it's been 4 years. I am in this domain, though I am like changing my companies, but domain is same. I have started from voice process, international voice process, and then I moved to this domain basis on my background, commerce background, and here I'm not sure how far I'm going to continue this, but yes, I'm enjoying it. It's quite good.
Ah, that's great. As long as you're
Yeah.
enjoying it, it's worth doing, right?
Enjoying means not a lot, but there is no other option, right? It's a job, you have to do it. So kind of enjoying because you're getting money out of it. And you need money to have your bread and butter.
True.
So yeah,
True. Honest reviews right here. That is
exactly. What
so
about you?
how
Like you didn't introduce as this is our first session.
okay. My name is Divyansh and I teach here at Clapingo. I recently started, as I already told you, in January. Before that, my college was going on. I graduated in 2020. And when I started college around 2017 or 18, I don't remember when, that time I also started giving out home tuitions. So
Okay.
besides Clapingo, I'm also doing that. I'm giving home tuitions and I'm also a music producer. So I also make music. And
Oh,
that is it about
interesting.
me.
All right. So among all these things, like giving tuitions, taking sessions at Clapingo, and producing, like music one, which is your favorite one?
Music production. Without a second
Oh,
thought.
but obvious, I knew it. Your answer would be the same. All right. And how you're liking the Clapingo thing?
It's actually great. I didn't expect it to be this good, but it's actually really great. Like I'm meeting a lot of new people here. And some of them are really kind of big people, you can say. Like, have you heard about angel broking?
I think I have.
It's
Yes.
like a trading app, I think, or a
Yes.
website or something like that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the CEO of that is also on Clappingo.
How come?
I don't know why. Like I asked him, like, why are you doing this? So he said
Is he
he
a
needs
is he
to
a
do.
learner?
Actually, yes.
Oh,
So
wow.
he's a boy, like he's I think 23, 24. He's the same age as me. So not a lot.
Mhm.
So I asked him as the same question that why are you here? Like you have a big company and everything. So he said
Yeah.
because he's doing a lot of public speaking things, right? Because in front of college students or people like that. So that is why in order to improve that, he's here.
Wow. This is huge. Like, I didn't know this.
And,
Wow.
your audience would also know this now, I guess.
Exactly. Yeah. I
Mm,
mean, it's a very big thing that very big. Like he's a brand. It's himself, and he's using Clappingo, which means that learning. So here, I think my audience will get the direct learning from this video. Is like there is no age to learn. There is no criteria. Like if you're a student only, then you can learn. If you're a businessman, or if you have reached to some level, then you cannot learn. You are enough. No, learning is important,
yeah,
no matter who
that
you
is
are.
true.
Nice.
So what do you want to do in the future? What's your plan?
Future plans. Okay, since I'm already working, I think I'm going to concentrate there somehow because I need promotions. I need six-figure salary. So yeah, that is obviously. Other thing is that of course I want to work on my YouTube channel a lot. I really want to get more ideas, create more content, and help people as much as I can.
Hmm.
So yeah, this is for now. Short-term goals.
Uh, and long term, what are those?
Long term, I'm not sure because I haven't thought about it, and I don't plan for long term goals. I think I don't have such goals right now. I don't believe. I think completing or working on your short goals will lead you to, by default, completing your long term goals. That's how I think. Maybe I'm
Like,
wrong,
in a
but
way, yeah, in a way that is true. Like you break down your long-term goals into small short-term goals, right?
yes,
And you fulfill
yes,
those. Works
absolutely.
this way.
Yes.
Great.
What
So
about your
are you
music? Like, what did you do till now? Would you like to tell me?
how like what's the question?
Like, what did you do in your music field till now? What are you doing? Is there any song or
Okay,
something?
hmm, massive exposure coming up. Okay, great. So I started in around 2018 or 19, I guess, somewhere around that. And first I started singing, but then I usually got into production. Like you can also make your own music and stuff. So then I started production, and I think last year, yes, last year, October, my first track came out. It was called Paradise, and it is on all social media, not social media, like streaming platforms like Spotify, YouTube, it's everywhere, iTunes,
Mhm.
iTunes, everywhere. So you can check that out.
Okay.
And yeah,
And definitely.
two tracks came out this year in March, and one was in Feb. So two tracks came out this year, and more tracks on the way. We are currently producing it, and there's a lot of collabs also going on. A lot of stuff is going on. So yeah,
Great. Wow.
that is how it's going.
So are you going to create your future in this music industry only, or there is something else you're looking for?
No, I don't think I'll be going for something else. I am pretty sure I would go for something in music because that is like what I want to do. Yeah.
Great.
Have you
I
ever tried
I
singing or something?
I am bad at it. Come on, you cannot do everything. Singing, no. I do love singing. I can say I'm bathroom singer. Of course, that is the term only we use. I do like to sing, but for myself only. So yeah,
Uh, you've
but
never
I think
sung in front of
everyone
people?
likes singing. Everyone likes music. If not singing, then to listen to music. Music is like a therapy. Wow.
It's kind of a universal language, right? Not all
Yeah.
people understand English, but they do understand music.
Oh, nice one. Yes. Right.
Right, yeah. And who all in your family? I forgot to ask that.
My family.
Like who all people do you have there in your family?
Okay. In my family, I'm staying with my mom and my elder sister. Uh, yeah, in Nagpur here.
Hmm.
Where
And
are
what
you
are
from?
I'm from Delhi.
Okay, and how's Delhi?
It's getting hotter day by day. That's what I would say. How's the weather
Okay.
there in Nagpur?
It's raining in Nagpur. It's so chill.
Hey.
Yeah, it's so good in
Oh,
Nagpur. Like from yesterday, it's raining and it's just chill, so nice. It feels like you should go for trekking or somewhere, but again, it's raining, so you cannot do anything.
no. I've
Yeah,
heard that there's a place called Lonavala, right? People go to trekking for
it's
like
in
in that
Pune.
area.
It's in Pune.
Hey.
Lonavala is in Pune, near to Pune, almost 40 kilometers from Pune, or from where I live. Yes, Lonavala is a great place. You should
Have you visited
visit.
that?
Yes, I have.
So how was your experience there in
I think
Lonavala?
I have been there twice. First, when my family was there, they came to visit me on my birthday 2 or 3 years back. That was the first time I went to Lonavala, and second time recently I went. But Lonavala is beautiful, especially in rainy season only. So if you will ever plan to come to Lonavala, please come in monsoon. You will have a great exposure. It's just so good.